Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss the properties of magnets. Magnets show some special properties. Some of the special properties of magnets are discussed here. So, first properties of magnet is magnet attract magnetic substance. So, we discuss the attractive properties of magnet. What do you understand by attractive property? Magnets attract objects made up of iron, cobalt, nickel. This is called the attractive property of magnet. A magnet attracts magnetic substance by exerting a force called magnetic force. The reason around a magnet where its magnetic force can be work is called magnetic field. So we can say that magnet attracts magnetic substance like iron, steel, cobalt, nickel towards itself. Now we discuss the pole of magnets. What do you understand by pole of magnet? You have already seen maximum number of pins attract at the end of magnet. End of a magnet where most of magnetic substance attract are called magnetic poles. There are two poles in a magnet, north pole and a south pole. North pole North pole is the end of freely suspended magnet which point toward the geographic north. Again I repeat it, the end of a freely suspended magnet which points toward the geographic area north is called the north pole of magnet. And what do you understand by south pole? The end of a freely suspended magnet which points towards the geographic south is called the south pole of a magnet. So how to find the pole of magnet? First we take a bar magnet and some iron pins. When sprinkling the iron filling on a piece of paper, move the bar magnet randomly over the iron fillings while touching them horizontally. So we can observe that iron filling cling most of the end of a bar magnet. This so the reason of strong magnets are near at its end. Now we discuss the directive property of a magnet. A freely suspended magnet always point in the geographic north and south direction. This is known as directive property of magnet. The pole of magnet pointing towards the geographic area north is called north pole. And the pole of magnet pointing towards the geographic south position is called south pole. Every magnet irrespective of its shape has a north pole or a south pole. Okay, so we use a magnetic compass for directive property of magnet. It consists of a small flat magnetic needle balanced on a nearly frictionless pivot. The north pole of needle is marked with red color and it is then enclosed in a flat aluminium case. Now we discuss about the magnetic poles exist in pair. Magnetic pole always exist in pair. In another word, we can say that magnetic poles cannot exist independently. If any bar magnet is broken into two or more pieces, each of them will have a north pole or a south pole. It is impossible to obtain a piece of magnet with only a one magnetic pole. All magnet has two poles, north poles and south poles. Hence we can say that magnetic poles always exist in pair. Again I discuss all the properties of magnet in briefly. A magnet attracts magnetic substance like iron, cobalt, nickel towards itself. Second one is when suspended freely, it points in north and south direction. Similar poles of magnet repel each other. Opposite poles of magnet attract to each other. Similar poles of magnet repel to each other, but opposite poles of magnet attract each other. Repulsion is the surest test of magnetism. When a bar magnet is rubbed over an unmagnetized piece of iron, it changes into magnet. When a magnet is broken, then each piece is a complete magnet. Magnetic force can easily pass through non-magnetic substance. Magnetic force can easily pass through non-magnetic substance. If a magnet is heated or handled roughly, it loses its magnetism. It loses its magnetism. Thank you, class.